Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make Jamaican fish soup or fish tea with Dr. Fish. Please stick around and watch this video. I have about 6 cups of water in this pot, and I'm gonna add my pimento berries, add 4 cloves of garlic. You can add more if you like. Add my onion chopped. Add my celery, and this is 1 stalk of celery. And this is about ½ pound of pumpkin. You can use more, you can use less. And this is 2 carrot chopped. My scallion, and this is 2 stalks of scallion. And thyme. You can use any amount of thyme you'd like. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Even though I use garlic, I'm still using garlic powder. And I'm gonna mix this around, and I'm gonna add my Irish, and this is Irish potato, and this is about 3 Irish. I'm gonna add my yellow yam, and this is about ½ pound of yellow yam. I'm gonna add chocho, and this is 1 chocho or chayote. And we're just gonna leave this to boil for about ½ an hour until everything comes to a nice boil for about ½ an hour. After 30 minutes, the pot is bubbling, everything is smelling nice, and this is how you want it. And now I'm gonna add my dumpling or spinners to the pot. So adding our spinners. And you can use any fish to make this. Now I'm gonna make some dumplings. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my fish soup mix by Grace. Now we're gonna taste this and see if it wants some more salt. Yes, it needs about 1 tablespoon of salt. You can adjust this to your taste. And I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Badia complete seasoning. So basically we just season up the pot right now. You want the flavors to come together nicely. And I'm gonna add some more scallion to the pot. And I'm gonna add a Scotch bonnet pepper to give it that nice flavor. You know what I say? I'm gonna add the fish. You want to add the fish last because the fish is easy to cook, and you don't want the fish to be disintegrated and mashed up. So we're just gonna add the fish nicely into the pot. And these are Dr. Fish, as I told you before. And now I'm gonna add some okra. Now we're just gonna leave this to simmer down for the next 10 minutes or so. Smelling amazing. You'd love to taste this fish soup into this nice cold weather. Oh my goodness, if only you could smell it. Look at it. This is looking delightful. Everything is nice and cooked. So overall this took about 1 hour to cook or so with the food. But if you don't want to add food to it, it will take less. If you don't want to add dumplings and yam and those stuff, you can just do it plain and simple. And now I'm going to welcome the taste testers to taste the soup.
Look at this fish right here. Wow.
It's a big one.
Wow,
it tastes. Oh, it tastes.
Tasting good, warm and nice. Wow.
Warm and nice.
Maya, like it?
Look at the carrot right there.
I want to eat one carrot. I want to eat one carrot.
So tell them bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye guys for now. We're gonna stuff our faces.